Traders, in today's video, we're going to be going over a new tool released from Binance that you're looking at now that I found to be pretty helpful. Alright traders, the new tool that was released about 2 days ago reveals a lot. It reveals the ROI of various traders, as you can see on different intervals. So how much Binance Futures traders have made on a return on their account balance, and then also P&L rankings. So the most successful Binance trader is up 26 million US dollars, UST, which is essentially 26 million US dollars. And yeah, now the reason why I've been spending so much time on this isn't because of just looking at the rankings here. Some of these traders actually allow themselves to share their positions. Now look at this. This guy, Mineboo, I don't know how to pronounce it, is one of the only guys or girls or bots that is sharing their position, as you can see here, and you can see their stats. Pretty successful trader, has made pretty good calls, and you can also see his current positions. So currently we know that he has a pretty good BNB position, long. All these are long positions, as you can see, and Binance Leaderboard doesn't do a great job yet of really saying, hey, how many contracts, and also, hey, are they long or short? But you can kind of just surmise that this guy is long because, entry, mark is lower than entry and P&L is red. So I think we know what that means. But yeah, and you can see all the stats here. I just find this, I don't know how many other traders find this like very revealing or successful, but for me, I've always been striving for a system that takes traders from the best exchange, organize the very best traders on that exchange, and the worst traders on that exchange. Look at what they do, and then of course bet on the winners and bet against the losers. And I think that kind of system can work pretty well. And as more and more people share their positions, we can begin to get a network and dozens or maybe hundreds of people who are successful, hundreds of people who are unsuccessful, and then we can actually see if they're doing the exact opposite. And that would be a great thing for taking a position. Another thing that I really like about this is that it actually updates when they open or close a position immediately. You just have to refresh the page. So the last time that this guy closed or opened a position was 15:20. I think that's UTC time. Was 15:20 UTC. Okay. Now there's only one other guy that I know who is sharing their position, and I'm going to go pull him up. The only way I could actually get to him was ROI. I think I went to daily, and it was one of these guys. Oh, there he is. Yeah, David Santiago. So this is the only other guy on the leaderboard that's actually sharing his position currently. But still, it's just some great insight. This is clearly just a much smaller trader than the guy we just looked at. But still, you can see, what he's doing. He's currently in Zcash, and he went long at that price. That's his average long price, and you can see how much he is up, ROE and such. And how you do this kind of analysis on a trader who doesn't have as much money is up to you. Some traders may want to trade against him and say, hey, this guy's long Zcash, I should probably look to short. Or maybe even sneakier traders could do it this way. If you notice that there's a very large whale who's just not really a great trader, and let's say he's long 1 million US dollars worth of Zcash at a price of 92.3, right? Then we know that price is going to have a hard time going past 92.3 if price is under 92.3 because that trader is trapped, and he might want to sell his 1 million USD at that price when he's out of break even or slight profitable. So because of that, that could become a resistance zone that is far more powerful than any technical analysis resistance you'd ever see. It'd actually be like hidden information in the market that market makers use. So I hope to not be getting ahead of myself a little too much here, but the implications for what we can do with these kinds of systems, with taking advantage of trap traders, knowing where people are going to take profit, is limitless, really. So today's been a very short video. Because this thing was just launched. I don't have a ton of data, on this. A lot of it's just theory, but I would highly recommend you guys go check out the leaderboard, which I will link, completely free. And again, yeah, you can just refresh the page if you want to see if they open or close new positions immediately, and also, how much they're making or down. So before they were up 55.5 or 6, now they're up 55.9, as you can see. So I would love to hear in the comments and on my Discord about how you guys want to use this information, if you want to use it at all. Personally, I will be on the lookout for as many leaderboard traders who are sharing their positions and try to take advantage of that. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the coming weeks, and I'll bet you we're going to be getting a lot more data.